Hi guys! This week we're going to be talking about comparing and contrasting. I know we haven't talked about this at all yet this year, so just bear with me for a second. I have my friend Blake here with me and he's going to help with my lesson today. So, before we get started, pause the video and go get a piece of paper and a pencil. Just click play whenever you're ready. Okay, first, I want you to write down on the paper what you see that's the same about Blake and me. Pause the video, and whenever you're ready, just click play again and we'll move on. After you've written down things that are the same, I want you to do the exact opposite and write down everything you can think of that is different about Blake and me. Again, pause the video and just click play whenever you're ready to move on. When you find the similarities between two people or objects, that's called comparing. And that's telling exactly how they're alike, what characteristics they share. When you find the differences about two people or objects or whatever, that is called contrasting. We're going to be learning all about comparing and contrasting this week, but today we're just going to hit the basics as an introduction. So, just as a review really quick, comparing is when you're telling how two or more things are alike, and contrasting is telling how two or more things are different. We can compare and contrast almost anything. When we get more experience with comparing and contrasting, we will even use it in our lessons to compare and contrast stories, authors, and other things like that. So, just a little review of what we learned today. I want you to answer these questions on a piece of paper and turn it in to me first thing tomorrow morning. First, what is comparing? Pause the video if you need more time to write that down, and then push play again to hear the other question when you're done. You can just write comparing is blank and then your answer. Okay, next, what is contrasting? Again, just write contrasting is blank and then your answer. It does not have to be fancy or a long sentence or paragraph, but it can just be short, sweet, and to the point. You need to have the correct answers, and your paper needs to have your name and classroom number in the right-hand corner. Whenever you're done with that, you're ready for class tomorrow, and you can just make sure that's in your backpack. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope you're ready to learn about comparing and contrasting the rest of the week.